Are you overwhelmed by the endless array of RV gadgets? Don't worry, you're not alone. In a world filled with shiny gear and must-have tools, it's hard to know what you'll really need. But fear not, we're cutting through the clutter to reveal the RV gadgets that will actually make your life on the road easier, and the ones that are just extra baggage. Stick around, because a little later in this video, we'll reveal a gadget that might just save you on your next trip. Now, leveling blocks are crucial. Your RV's built-in leveling system isn't enough. Sleeping on a slant or having your fridge malfunction due to an uneven ground is no fun. These simple plastic blocks stack like an oversized Legos, creating a level surface for your RV. They're lightweight, easy to store, and can handle the weight of even the largest rigs. Oh, and choose the interlocking kind. They're more stable and less likely to slip when you're driving onto them. When using leveling blocks, always start with the lowest side of your RV. Place the blocks in front or behind the wheels, depending on which way you need to level. Drive onto the blocks slowly, checking your level as you go. It might take a few tries to get it right, but once you do, you'll have a stable, comfortable base for your stay. A portable power station is a game changer. Generators are great, but they're loud, require fuel, and often can't be used in campgrounds due to noise restrictions. A power station is silent, doesn't emit fumes, and can be used anywhere. It's perfect for powering devices, running small appliances, or jump-starting your RV if the battery dies. Look for one with at least 500 watt-hours of capacity and multiple output options. Consider models with solar charging capabilities for extended off-grid stays. When choosing a power station, think about your energy needs. Do you need to run a CPAP machine overnight, power a laptop for work, or just charge some phones and tablets? Make a list of your must-have powered items and their wattage to help you choose the right size. We've identified a few options that might be a perfect fit for you. Be sure to check the link in the description below for more details. You're welcome. Now, a water pressure regulator is crucial. Campground water pressure can vary wildly, and too much pressure can damage your RV's plumbing system. A good regulator keeps the pressure at a safe level, protecting your pipes and appliances. Get one with a gauge to monitor the pressure. While you're at it, invest in a water filter too. Campground water quality isn't always the best. A good filtration system can remove sediment, improve taste, and even filter out harmful bacteria. Look for a system that's easy to install and maintain. And some RVers prefer a whole RV system, while others opt for a simple inline filter at the water hookup point. Your context means your choice. Now, staying online is often a necessity in today's connected world. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot can be essential, especially if you work remotely or need to stay in touch with the family. Look for one that supports multiple carriers and has a strong antenna. Some even come with built-in VPNs for the added security that you know you need. When choosing a hotspot, consider coverage areas. If you plan to travel in remote areas, look for a device that works with multiple carriers. Also, check data plans carefully. Some offer unlimited data but may throttle speeds after a certain amount of usage, while others have data caps but maintain high speeds throughout. Choose based on your typical usage and travel plans. A good multi-purpose tool is a true RV essential. From tightening loose screws to cutting ropes, you'll use this gadget often. Opt for the one with pliers, a knife, screwdrivers, and a can opener at minimum. Spend a little extra on a quality brand. A good multi-purpose tool can last for years and might save you from a roadside breakdown. When selecting a multi-purpose tool, consider the specific needs of RV life. Look for tools with wire strippers for electrical repairs, a saw for campfire wood, and maybe even a file for quick metalwork. Keep it easily accessible too. Many RVers attach their tool to their belt or store it in a dedicated pocket in their driver's door. Now, a tire pressure monitoring system could prevent a major breakdown. It's true. RV tires are under a lot of stress, and a blowout can be dangerous and expensive. A good TPMS will alert you to low pressure or high temperature in your tires before it becomes a problem. Some even connect to your smartphone for easy monitoring. When installing a TPMS, take the time to set it up correctly. Program in the correct pressure ranges for your specific tires. Some systems allow you to set different ranges for different axles, which is useful for RVs with varying tire sizes. Check the system regularly and replace batteries in the sensors as needed. Next, a portable waste tank isn't glamorous, but it's incredibly useful. Sometimes you'll find yourself at a beautiful boondocking spot with no dump station in sight. Or maybe the campground's dump station is out of order, if you know what I mean. A portable waste tank lets you partially empty your black and gray tanks without moving your RV. It's like having a mini dump station on wheels. When choosing a portable waste tank, consider its capacity and how you'll transport it. Larger tanks hold more but can be heavy when full. Some come with wheels for easy transport, while others might require a separate dolly. Also invest in a good quality hose and some disposable gloves to make the emptying process as hygienic as possible. Now, if you love boondocking as much as I do, or want to reduce your reliance on shore power, solar is the way to go. A good kit will include panels, a charge controller, and all the wiring you need. Start small with a portable 100-watt panel and expand as needed. It's a great way to keep your batteries topped up and run small appliances without firing up the generator. When setting up your solar system, consider your energy needs and the amount of sunlight you typically encounter. If you often camp in shaded areas or during cloudy weather, you might need more panels to generate sufficient power. Also, think about panel placement. Roof-mounted panels are great for constant charging, but portable panels allow you to follow the sun for maximum efficiency. After exploring several options, we've found a few that could be just what you're looking for. Check out the link in the description below for all the details. Next, a backup camera can save you from costly accidents and make hitching up a breeze. If you've ever tried to back up an RV without one, you know how challenging it can be. Look for one with night vision and a wide viewing angle. Some even have multiple cameras for a bird's eye view of your entire rig. When installing a backup camera, consider a wireless system for easier installation. However, wired systems often provide a more reliable connection. If you tow a trailer, look for a system that allows you to add a second camera for the trailer's rear. This can be invaluable when navigating tight campgrounds or backing into tricky spots. Proper tire inflation is crucial for fuel efficiency and safety, especially in an RV where you're carrying heavy loads. A good portable compressor can inflate tires, air mattresses, and even bicycle tires. Look for one that can handle the high PSI of RV tires and has a long cord to reach all your wheels. When considering an air compressor, consider its power source. Some plug into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet, while others have rechargeable batteries. Battery-powered models offer more flexibility but may not have as much power. Also, look out for a model with an auto shutoff feature that stops inflating when it reaches the desired pressure. For some, a portable ice maker is a luxury they can't live without. If you're camping in hot climates and love your cold drinks, this could be a game changer. However, if you're fine with bagged ice or don't mind drinks without ice, this gadget might just take up valuable counter space. Portable ice makers come in various sizes and capacities. Some can produce ice in as little as 6 minutes, while others might take longer but produce larger quantities. Consider how much ice you typically use and how often you'll have access to power when choosing an ice maker. An outdoor movie screen can turn your campsite into a personal cinema. It's great for family trips or social gatherings, but if you prefer to spend your evenings around the campfire or stargazing, this might be an unnecessary addition. If you do decide to invest in an outdoor movie screen, look for one that's easy to set up and take down. Inflatable screens are popular for their portability, but traditional screens might offer better picture quality. Don't forget to factor in a projector and sound system when budgeting for this setup. For long-term RVers or those with kids, a portable washing machine can be incredibly convenient. It saves trips to the laundromat and can be a real money saver over time. However, for weekend warriors or those who prefer to pack light, it might be overkill. When considering a portable washing machine, think about your water and power usage. Some models are manually operated, which is great for boondocking but requires more effort. Electric models are, conversely, more convenient but will draw on your power resources. Also, consider where you'll hang clothes to dry. A portable clothesline might be a good companion purchase. An electric blanket can be a cozy addition for cold weather camping. It uses less energy than running your RV's heater all night, but if you mainly camp in warm climates or have a good sleeping bag, you might not need this extra warmth. If you do opt in for an electrical blanket, look for one with multiple heat settings and an auto shutoff feature for safety. Some models are designed specifically for RV use and can run off 12-volt power, which is more efficient than using an inverter. Now, a propane fire pit is great for areas with fire bans or for RVers who don't want to deal with wood and ash. It's clean, easy to use, and provides instant ambiance. However, if you love the smell and crackle of a real wood fire, this might not be for you. When choosing a propane fire pit, consider its size and weight. Some models are designed to be ultra-portable, while others are more robust, but heavier. Look for features like adjustable flame height and a built-in ignition system for convenience. While your smartphone's GPS might work in a pinch, a GPS designed specifically for RVs can be a valuable tool. These devices allow you to input your RV's dimensions and weight, helping you avoid low bridges, weight-restricted roads, and other hazards. Look for a GPS with regular map updates and real-time traffic information. Some models even include campground directories and points of interest specific to RVers, like dump stations and propane refill locations. Now, if you frequently camp in areas with weak cell signals, a cellular signal booster can be a game changer. These devices amplify existing cell signals, potentially turning one bar of service into a usable connection for calls, texts, and even data. When choosing a signal booster, make sure it's compatible with your cellular carrier and the frequencies they use. Some boosters are designed for stationary use, while others can work for you while you're driving, providing a better connection on the road. An Instant Pot or similar multi-cooker can be a versatile addition to your RV kitchen. These devices can function as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more, all in one compact appliance. They're great for one-pot meals and can help conserve propane by not heating up your RV with oven use. Consider the size of the multi-cooker in relation to your RV's storage space and the number of people you typically cook for. Also, check its power requirements to ensure your RV's electrical system can actually handle it. While your portable power station might be able to jumpstart your RV, a dedicated portable jump starter can be a lifesaver. These compact devices pack enough power to start most RV engines and can often charge other devices as well. Look for a jump starter with safety features like reverse polarity protection and overcurrent protection. Some models also include built-in air compressors, flashlights, or even AC outlets, making them multifunctional tools for roadside emergencies. And finally, for the photography enthusiasts, a drone can capture stunning aerial footage of your campsite and surrounding landscapes. It's a fun way to document your travels and get a new perspective on the places you visit. If you're considering a drone, Be sure to familiarize yourself with local regulations regarding drone usage. Look for a model with a good balance of flight time, camera quality, and portability. Some drones are quite compact when folded, making them ideal for RV storage. Now, the key in all of this is to focus on gadgets that solve real problems and enhance your RV experience. Don't get caught up in the hype of every shiny new product. Every gadget you bring takes up valuable space and adds weight to your rig. For more information about these products or any others, be sure to check the description below. What works for one traveler might not be perfect for another. As you gear up for your next adventure, think about the challenges you face on the road. What problems do you encounter most often? Focus on those, and a well-chosen gadget could make all the difference. Ready for more great advice, like knowing exactly what you need to bring on your next RV trip to make the most of it? Check out this video here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video shown on screen.